Good morning. Our next practice is pranayama practice, or in other words, breath work. We are going to use an ancient yogis practice, early morning practice of extension of our breath, extension our life force to connect with the divine. Please bring your palms together and just take your time. Start feel your palms. Just feel your hands connected. Maybe check every finger on your hands. Bring your focus there. Now please send your attention to your feet. Spread your toes wide, connect your feet to the floor, making your feet longer and wider. Move towards the edge of your chair, ground your pelvic towards the chair, and on your inhale, just simply bring your chest above your pelvic. Elongate through your spine, bring your chin slightly in with your head above your chest. Close your eyes, bring your optical focus towards your third eye center, and relax your facial muscles. On your next inhale, start elongating your breath. Inhale in your low abdominal, your low lungs, your upper lungs. Hold your breath. When you're ready to let go, slowly, consciously exhale from your upper lungs, your low lungs. Bring your navel in and up, forcing stale energy, stale air out. Now lift your hands towards your forehead and with the tips of your thumbs gently press against the base of your eyebrows. Find the pressure points there. With your head gently leaning against your thumbs, keep your heart lifted, please. And go ahead, take another long, deep, conscious inhale in your low abdominal, your low lungs, your upper lungs. Hold it. And then when you're ready to let go, slowly, consciously exhale, release, let go. Keep breathing. On your inhalation, lifting and expanding yourself. On your exhalation, releasing, letting go, emptying yourself, and expanding even more with this emptiness. Roll your eyes in and up. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center, the point between your eyebrows. Connecting with your intuitive mind. Connecting with your true self. Long deep inhale. Long deep exhale. Facial muscles relaxed, eyes closed. Optical focus towards your third eye center, towards your temple. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly release your arms down, placing top of your hands on your laps. Join your index and thumbs together, connecting with your inner knowledge. Facial muscles relaxed, optical focus towards your third eye center. Long, deep, conscious inhale, lifting and expanding yourself, connecting with yourself. Long, deep, conscious exhale, releasing, letting go, letting God. You may silently start chanting, inhale, I, and exhale, am. Keeping your breath long and deep. With every inhalation, expanding your breath even more. One more long deep breath. Inhale, expanding, connecting with the divine. Exhale, releasing, letting go, opening your temple door. Let's go ahead, another breath. Inhale, allowing divine energy to enter, connecting, lifting, and exhale, release, let go. Release your mudra, turn your palms face down, and on your inhale, start leaning forward, send your heart forward, opening your chest. Exhale, collapse your chest, pull your navel in, engage your buttocks, tuck your tailbone under, curving your spine. Inhale, opening your heart forward, leaning forward, exhale, back. Keep going. Just simply follow your breath. On your inhalation, opening your heart forward, and exhalation, collapsing your chest, opening your heart center, warming up your spinal column, balancing your nervous system. Inhale, expanding your abdominal. Exhale, contracting your abdominal muscles, warming up your digestive system. Breathing in and out of your nose. Just few more times to go. You may go a little bit faster. Start creating more internal heat in your body. One more breath, one more time. Inhale forward, exhale, curving, leaning back. Inhale, elongate your spine. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. And on your next inhale, if your eyes are closed, slowly open your eyes. Soft gaze forward. Bring your chin slightly in, elongating through your neck even more. Only eyes, please. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Last time down. Soft gaze, far away forward. Lift your heart, drop your shoulders down. Only eyes, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Last time left. Soft gaze, forward please. Keep breathing. Only eyes, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down. One more time. Circle please. Stretching your eye muscles. Once more. Soft gaze forward. Only eyes, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down. One more time. And circle please. One more time. Soft gaze forward. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, drop your arms down. Turn your palms out. And on your next inhale, rise your arms. Reach up, connect your palms, stretch yourself. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Elongate through your spine. Drop your shoulders down. On your next inhale, turn your head to your left. And exhale, go to your right. Keep going. Inhale, exhale. Just simply follow your breath. Turning your head to your left on your inhalation and turning your head to your right on your exhalation. Keep breathing, please, keeping your lower abdominal engaged, using your upper chest breathing. And keep following your breath. Inhale and exhale out of your nose. One more time. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your head to your heart. With your heart lifted through your nose, long, deep, conscious inhale, please. Through your mouth with HA sound. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go everything out. Engage your abdominal using your upper chest breathing. On your next inhale, start rotating your head over your right shoulder, up. Exhale, left and down. Keep going, follow your breath. Breathing in and out of your nose. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Optical focus towards your third eye center. allowing your breath to guide you. Releasing tension from your neck, from your shoulders, opening your spinal column. One more breath. Finishing with your head to your heart. With your heart lifted, again long deep inhale through your nose, please. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale, release, let go everything out, engage your abdominal. On your next inhale, reverse direction with your head. One more breath. One more roll with your head, finishing with your head to your heart lifted. And once more through your nose, long deep inhale. Through your mouth, exhale, release, let go everything out. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale. On your next inhale, slowly unroll your head. Exhale, drop your arms down. And inhale, open yourself, lift, reach, connect, gaze up, stretch. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Our next practice is a Kriya Yoga practice. Welcome on your mat. Please spread your feet apart. Soften your knees. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Turn your palms out. And on your inhale, opening yourself. Lift, reach, connect your palms. Gaze up, stretch yourself. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Again. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect, soft knees. Exhale, bow down, drop your head, relax your abdominal. On your inhale, slowly unroll up, bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. And inhale, open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale to your heart. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale, bow down. Inhale and roll up. Reach your arms up. And exhale, bring it to your heart. One more time. Exhale, bow down and stay down this time. Relax your head, wave yes and no with your head, relaxing your neck, relaxing your head. Inhale in the center, exhale, press your left foot down, send energy up your left leg, guide your left hip back, twist your torso to your right. Long deep breath. Stretching and opening left side of your body. Long deep inhale, long deep exhale. One more breath. On your next inhale, come back in the center, soften both knees. Exhale, press your right foot down, send energy up your right leg, guide your right hip back, twist to your left. Inhale and exhale. Facial muscles relaxed, your neck relaxed, your abdominal relaxed. One more breath. On your next inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, soft knees, engage your abdominal to support your low back, and on your inhale, slowly unroll up. Guide your tailbone down, your shoulders, your neck, and your head. Inhale, open yourself, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. 2 more times, please. Opening yourself even wider, lifting even higher, connecting even deeper. Exhale. 1 more breath. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Stay connected there. Check your weight. Your weight is evenly between your right and left, between your strength and between your emotions, between front and back of your feet, in the middle between your future and your past. Bring yourself in the present moment. Long, deep, conscious inhale, lifting, expanding, connecting, and long, deep, conscious exhale, releasing, letting go, and opening yourself, expanding even more. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, drop your arms. Inhale, reach up again. Exhale, bring it to your heart. And extend your arms out, palms down. Actively reach with your arms. Inhale, fingers up. Exhale, point your fingers down. Keep going. Just simply follow your breath. Breathing in and out of your nose. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. Powerful breath. Arms reaching. Inhale, fingers up. Exhale, down. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, reach with your arms out. Lift your heart. Wrists, please. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Elbows. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Full circle. Inhale, reach. Exhale, down. In. Change cross of your arms. Keep breathing. One more time. And then we're going to reverse. Cross on the bottom, lift, and open. Follow your breath. Changing cross of your arms with every inhalation. One more time. Finishing with your arms out. Elbows, please. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wrists. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your palms up. Spread your fingers. Engage your shoulder blades. Lift your heart up. Lift your gaze up. Inhale. Open. Exhale. Fold your thumbs in. Cover your thumbs with 4 other fingers. Heart lifted. Drop your head to your heart. Again. Inhale. Open. And exhale. Surrender. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, open yourself, spread your fingers wide, lift your arms, connect your hands together. Exhale, join your fingers together. Bring your hands to your heart. Close your eyes. One more breath. On your next inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, release your arms, shake them, and only shoulders, please. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep going. Breathing in and out of your nose, powerful breath. Releasing tension, releasing stiffness from your shoulders, from your neck, from your upper back area. In, out, releasing, dropping everything off your shoulders. Four, three, 2, and 1. Drop your shoulders down, heavy arms. Close your eyes. Keep breathing. Allowing stress, tension, discomfort exit your body through your arms. One more breath. Inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, turn your palms out. Inhale, open yourself even more. Lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, open your arms out. Exhale, palms forward. Fold your forefingers in with your thumbs facing up. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bend your elbows, point your thumbs down. Inhale, exhale, in, out of your nose. Just simply follow your powerful breath. Maybe start engaging your abdominal muscles, your navel center even more. Inhale, slightly expanding your abdominal. Exhale, slightly contracting your abdominal muscles. Breathing in and out of your nose. One more breath, one more time. Inhale, stretch your arms up, spread your fingers, hold it. And exhale, turn your palms out, slowly press everything down. Expand yourself even more. Roll your shoulders back, keep breathing. And forward, please. Roll your shoulders back. This time inhale, lift your arms, keep them parallel, drop your shoulders down, turn your palms face forward, join your index and thumbs together. Inhale, reach, exhale, pull your navel in, pull your elbows down, heart lifted. Inhale, exhale, in and out of your nose, please. Inhale, exhale. Give yourself a gentle hug with your upper arms. Pull your navel gently in on your exhalation, lifting your heart even higher up. 4, 3, 2. Last time. Hugging yourself gently, lift your heart. Inhale. Exhale, shift your weight over to your left. Lift your right knee up. And inhale down. Exhale left. Inhale down. Keep going. Engage your abdominal muscles on your exhalation even more, helping your knee go up. Focus now on your standing leg, please. Keep your toes spread wide, your foot grounded. Engage your buttocks slightly, maybe even pull your kneecap up. Strong, balanced, centered, even on one leg. Keep breathing, please. One more time for each leg. And your next time, inhale, reach up and lift your knee up. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Staying strong on your standing leg. Bring your focus towards your knee. Reach with your knee almost as high as your arms reaching. Follow your breath. Breathing in and out of your nose. One more time for each leg. This time, inhale, reach with your arms up, spread your fingers, hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale again. Contract your rectum, you pull your navel in, your chin in, contract your internal organs, hold it. Exhale. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale. One more time, inhale, reach even higher. Contract, lift, pull. And turn your palms out. Exhale, take your arms down. Close your eyes. Start elongating your breath. One more breath. On your next inhale, open your eyes. Maybe separate your legs a little bit wider. Keep your knees soft and place your hands on your abdominal. Inhale, expand your abdominal. And exhale, contract your abdominal muscles. Again, inhale, expand, oxygenate in every internal organ. And exhale, contract. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale. On your exhalation, squeezing all the toxins out of your organs. Give a nice massage. One more breath. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, soft knees, squat down and release your hands on your laps. Release your head down, just relax simply your neck with your gaze towards your abdominal. Long, deep inhale, expanding your abdominal, please. Long, deep exhale, contracting, pull your navel in, feel your abdominal muscles contract as strong that your low back almost arches. Again, inhale. Facial muscles relaxed. Exhale. Pull your navel in and up even. Inhale. And this time we're going to exhale and take your tongue out. And start breathing out, in and out of your mouth. Using like puppy breath, like you're breathing like a little dog, panting. Like a little dog, pumping your navel in and out. Inhale through your nose, exhale, just simply relax right now. Again, inhale, exhale. And inhale, second set, please. Exhale, take your tongue out and go ahead, begin. Go with your own breath tempo, maybe faster or slower, what feels right for you. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale, pull your navel in. One more time. Inhale, expand, hold it. Exhale through your nose. Pull your navel in, hold it, hold your exhalation, and start pumping your navel in and out while you're holding your exhalation. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Pull your navel in. Hold your breath. Start pumping your navel in and out, in and out. One more set. Inhale. Exhale. Neck relaxed. Again, inhale. Exhale. Long, deep inhale. Hold. Long, deep exhale. Hold. And go ahead. Start pumping your navel in and out. Inhale. Exhale, just simply drop your arms without going deeper down. Relax your neck and then slowly unroll up. Shoulders, neck, and head. Inhale, open yourself. Connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Long, deep, conscious breath. One more breath, please. On your inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, release your arms, shake them, and separate your feet apart. Maybe mat width apart, maybe even go wider outside of your mat, maybe even turn sideways. Just check what stand you feel open enough but strong and balanced enough. Inhale, arms out, lift your heart, and exhale, hinging from your hips. Bring your spine parallel to the floor, gaze down, no tension in your neck. Inhale, reach with your arms out. Exhale, twist towards your right leg. With your right arm reaching up, focus on your right arm. Send your energy up your arm, connecting, plugging in with the divine. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the other side, focus on your left arm. Keep going. Inhale and exhale. Go ahead, find your breath right now and just simply connect with your breath. Just going from side to side. Keep breathing. Keep going. Now change your focus. Focus on the arm that is reaching down. Maybe touching your mat with the tips of your fingers. Maybe even placing your palm down on the floor without sacrificing your extended arm. One more time for each side. Inhale, center, stretch your arms out. And exhale, drop your arms, relax your neck, drop your head, bow down, long, deep breath. Inhale and exhale. One more breath. On your next inhale, lift your head, gaze forward, heart forward. Place your one hand and second hand on your hips and slowly rise up or unroll up. Check with your low back. Inhale, exhale, drop your arms. Inhale, reach up again. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Walk your feet, bring them together. Kick your legs. Little bit loosen up, and please step forward with your right leg, back with your left. Nice wide stand. Right foot facing forward and your left foot about 45 degrees angle forward. Inhale, lift your heart, and exhale, release your left hand on your left hip. On your inhalation, guide your left hip forward towards your right leg and bend your right knee slightly right now. Exhale, open your left hip out, open your chest out, engage your buttock. Again, inhale, forward, and exhale, open. One more time. Exhale, open, stay here please. Inhale, extend your arms out, reach in opposite directions, away from your heart center, strengthening, lengthening right now your arms even more. Inhale, lift your crown up, keeping your chest above your pelvic. Exhale, simply try to guide your pelvic a little bit deeper down. Inhale, elongate again. Exhale, turn your palms face out. Fold your forefingers in with your thumbs facing up. Inhale, tall. Exhale, bend your left elbow. Turn your head direction of your right arm. Bring your soft but focused gaze towards your thumb, towards your nail on your thumb. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. Again, long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. And long, deep inhale to begin the breath of fire. Breathing in and out of your nose. Short amount of breath. Pumping your navel in and out. Please remember, if you have high blood pressure or if you feel discomfort or dizziness, stay with your long, deep breath. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Go only as slow or as fast as it feels right to you. Long, deep inhale. Contract your rectum, your internal organs, navel and chin in. Exhale. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale. One more time. Contract, lift, pull. And exhale, release. Slowly pivot on your feet, feet parallel, arms out. Inhale, exhale, bow down. Keep your eyes open. Just simply relax your neck right now. Long, deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, exhale, soften your knees, engage your abdominal, and on your next inhale, slowly unroll up your shoulders, your neck, your head. Inhale, sweep your arms up, reach up, connect your palms, gaze up, stretch, and exhale, bring it to your heart. Turn your left foot out, facing back. Bring your right foot 45 degrees angle. Inhale, exhale, release your right hand on your right hip, and on your inhalation, guide your right hip direction of your left leg. Soften your left knee. On your exhale, open your hip out, engage in your right buttock. Again, inhale, face in direction of your left leg, and exhale, open to the side. One more time, inhale, and exhale, open. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, extend both arms out. Inhale, spine tall, chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Exhale, maybe sink a little bit deeper down. Turn your palms face out, fold your forefingers in a fist with your thumbs pointed up. Stretch your arms actively, inhale. Exhale, bend your right elbow, reaching out with your right elbow. Turn your head towards your left arm. Gaze on your nail, on your thumb. Long deep inhale, long deep exhale, long deep inhale, long deep exhale, and long deep inhale to begin the breath of fire. Pumping your navel in and out. Energizing, detoxifying yourself, strengthening yourself. Long deep inhale, contract, lift, pull. Exhale. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale, one more breath. And exhale. Extend your arms, feet parallel. Exhale, bow down, keep your eyes open, relax your neck. Long deep breath. Inhale in the center. Exhale, walk towards your right leg. Hold your right ankle and gently pull yourself towards your right leg. Long deep breath. One more breath. On your next inhale, go back in the center. One breath in the center. Inhale and exhale, walk towards your left leg, hold your ankle. Gently pull yourself towards your left leg. Long, deep breath. One more breath. On your next inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, engage your abdominals, soften your knees, and on your inhale, slowly unroll up. Remember, bring your shoulders, neck, head. Inhale, open yourself, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart, close your eyes. Inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, walk your feet together. Kick your legs, shake your arms a little bit, shake yourself, and go ahead, lie down on your mat, please, on your back. Walk your feet towards your buttocks. Separate your feet hip width apart. Bring your chin slightly in, elongating through your neck. Spread your toes wide. Ground your feet down. Inhale, lift your arms up and bring them over your head. Long, deep inhale, reaching with your arms. Long, deep exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lift your arms again, reaching up. Exhale, pull your shoulders down and place your arms beside of you. Actively reaching down with your arms. Press your triceps down. Check your chin. Your chin is inside. Inhale, arch your low back, keeping your pelvic on the floor. And exhale, pull your navel in, press your low back against the floor. Again, inhale, arch. And exhale, pull your navel in, press your low back down. Inhale. Exhale. Please keep going. We just have one more time to go. Inhale. And exhale. Pull your navel in. Keep your low back connected to the floor. Your buttocks active. Your tailbone slightly up off the floor. Inhale. Lift your arms up. And exhale. Reach over your head. Inhale, stretch your arms. Exhale, clasp your hands together. Lift your head and place your hands behind your head for support. Inhale, open your elbows. Exhale, pull your navel in and curl up, using only your abdominal muscles. Inhale, down. And exhale, curl up, squeezing your low ribs towards your hip bones. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. 4 more breaths, 4 more times. Last time, exhale, pull your navel in, curl up, stay up. Inhale, exhale, lift your right knee up. Inhale, exhale, lift your left. Join your legs together. Keep your chin slightly in, shoulders down, head lifted off the floor. Your upper abdominal wall is active right now, using your upper abdominal to support slightly with this slight lift of your torso. Inhale, exhale, extend your right leg up. Inhale, extend your left. Turn your toes out. Bring your heels together. Squeezing your inner thighs gently together. Inhale, take your legs down. And exhale, lift them up. Keep going. Inhale, engaging your buttocks, guiding your tailbone towards your heels on your inhalation. Elongating through your legs even more. Please remember to go down only as far as you're able to keep your low back on the floor. 4 more times. 4, 3, keep breathing. 2. Last time. Reach up, bend your knees. Inhale and roll down. Open your elbows wide, chin in, keeping your knees together, circle with your knees, rolling on your low back. And just simply follow your breath. One more breath, one more roll, and then reverse to the other side. One more breath, one more roll. Inhale, exhale, curl up towards your legs, drop your shoulders down, chin slightly in. Inhale, exhale, extend your right leg, maybe 60 degrees angle out. Inhale, exhale, extend your left. Join your legs together and just simply hold it. Keep breathing. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull your knees in. Drop your shoulders even deeper down. Inhale, this time extend your left leg, maybe 60 degrees angle, maybe a little bit greater. Extend your right, engage your buttocks, hold. Keep breathing. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull your knees in, bending your knees. Inhale, exhale, one more set. Inhale, and let's go ahead, extend both legs. Squeeze them together, rotate your toes out, engage your buttocks, hold. Inhale, exhale, bend your knees, curl up a little bit higher towards your knees, and slowly unroll down. Place your feet down on the floor. Release your arms down. Place your arms beside of you. Turn your palms face up. Inhale, elongate through your spine. Exhale, engage your abdominal. Slowly open your knees out. Join soles of your feet together. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. One more breath. Inhale, elongate your spine. Exhale, lift your right knee up and place your right leg on the top of your left, twisting your knees to your left. Inhale, engage your shoulder blades, lift your heart, arching your back slightly, and exhale, roll your head towards your right shoulder. Long, deep breath. On your next inhale, lift your heart even higher. Exhale, engage your abdominal, roll back in the center with your spine elongated. One deep breath in the center. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, lift your left leg and place your left leg on the top of your right. Twisting your legs to your right. Inhale, engage your shoulder blades, lift your heart, arching your back. And exhale, roll your head towards your left shoulder. Long deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, slowly roll back in the center with your long spine. One deep breath. And then inhale, elongate. Exhale, lift your left knee and roll on your right side completely, using your right upper arm as a pillow. Take one long deep breath on you, lying down on your right side. If you have sweatshirts, blankets, socks, please take your time, get what you need for your final practice of relaxation, Savasana. When you're ready, please go back on your mat, elongate through your spine, extend your legs, open your legs a little bit wider this morning. Place your arms beside of you with your palms facing up. Close your eyes, bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Long deep inhale, long deep exhale. On your next inhale, point your toes, squeeze your feet, contract your ankles, your calves, pull your kneecaps up, contract your thighs, your hamstrings, contract your buttocks, squeeze, contract your low body, your legs, your buttocks. Pull your navel in now, engage in your abdominal muscles, contracting your abdominal muscles. Contract your back, squeeze in your back. Squeeze fists with your hands, contract your arms and lift your shoulders up. Squeeze your face, contracting all your body. Keep breathing, keep holding, tension as much as you can. Squeeze your teeth even. On your next inhale, start to wiggle your toes. Relax your ankles, your calves, your knees, your thighs, your hamstrings, your buttocks, abdominal, back, arms, fists. Drop your shoulders even deeper down. Relax your facial muscles. Inhale, roll your head to your left. Exhale, right. Again, inhale, left. Exhale, right. One more time, please. Come back in the center. Inhale, long and deep, expanding yourself. Hold it. And on your exhalation, slowly, consciously release, let go, allowing all your body to melt down, to release down towards the floor, allowing your body to heal itself. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly start to deepen your breath. Inhale and exhale out of your nose. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, rotate your wrists and ankles, please. Reverse direction. On your inhale, slowly stretch your arms up, reaching over your head. Point your toes, stretching your legs opposite direction. Keep stretching, keep breathing, keep reaching. Strengthening, lengthening your nervous system. One more breath. Inhale, reach. Exhale, slowly take your arms down. One knee at a time, bring both knees up towards your chest. Pull your knees inside and rock from side to side on your low back. One more time. Come back in the center. Inhale. Exhale. Open your arms in a T shape. Palms facing up. Arms reaching out. Your shoulder level. Your shoulders are down. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, take your knees to your right with your upper body opening to your left. Long, deep breath. One more breath, please. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, lift your knees up, roll back in the center, and take your knees to your left with your upper body opening to your right. Long, deep breath. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, engage your abdominal. Lift your legs up and roll on your right side completely. Bring your left arm with you. Use your right upper arm as a pillow. Close your eyes. Long, deep, conscious breath. Allowing all that wonderful energy that you created during your practice this morning to settle in your body. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly press yourself up in a cross-legged seated position. Rock from side to side. Find middle part of your buttocks. Rest your arms on your knees, palms facing up. Join your index and thumbs together. Close your eyes. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. We're going to finish our practice this morning with the 3 gratitude breaths. Gratitude to yourself for being here this morning. Please take a long, deep inhale. Through your mouth, exhale, release, let go. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale, release, let go. Through your nose, inhale, please. Through your mouth, Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale. One more breath. Inhale through your nose, silently chanting I. Exhale through your mouth, silently chanting M. Through your mouth, inhale I. And through your nose, exhale M. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, release your mudra. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Connect your palms, gaze up, keep reaching. Exhale to your right side. Inhale, lift your heart, lift your gaze up. Exhale, bow down. Back in the center, open, lift, reach, connect. Gaze up, exhale to your left. Inhale, lift your heart, lift your gaze up. Exhale, bow. Back in the center. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect, gaze up, keep reaching. Exhale. Inhale, open your eyes wide, spread your fingers wide. Exhale, soften your gaze. Join your fingers together. Bring your hands to your heart. Bow down. May the long time sun shine upon you. All love surround you. And the pure love light within you guide your way on. Thank you so very much for practicing. Namaste.